Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, I am Tatang Kurniawan from Stikom Muhammadiyah Batam. This presentation is for uh, introducing component Elektronika in Fisika Elektronika. Non-polar capacitor. Non-polar capacitor is type of capacitor that has no polarity, which means it can be connected to a power source in either direction without the need to pay attention to positive or negative polarity. They have advantage in terms of reliability and simplicity of use in electronic device. The picture is one example of the physical form of non-polar capacitor and non-polar capacitor symbol used in electronic circuit. Polar capacitor. Polar capacitor is type of electronic capacitor that has polarity, which means there are positive and negative terminal to be aware of when connecting it to a power source. The picture is one example of the physical form of polar capacitor and polar capacitor symbol used in electronic circuit. Diode Diode is an electronic component that allows electric current to flow in only one direction. It serves as a gateway for electric current, allowing current flow from the positive terminal anode to the negative terminal cathode, while inhibiting current flow in the reverse direction. Diodes are one of the most basic and commonly used electronic components in a variety of applications, including its signal rectifier, LED status indicator, and protection from reverse current in electronic circuit. LED light emitting diode. LED is an electronic component that produces light when an electrical current flows through it. LED have several advantages, including low power consumption, long life, and good light efficiency. So they are often used in various electronic and informatic applications. In addition, the ability to produce light in a variety of color makes LEDs extremely versatile in visual application. Optocoupler. Optocoupler, also known as an optoisolator, is an electronic device that combines photodetector, such as photodiode, and light-emitting, usually LED, components in a single physical package. Optocouplers are used in the physical science of informatics to isolate electrical signal or data between two different electronic circuits. Its function is to allow the transmission of signal in the absence of physical contact or galvanic influence between the two circuits. Photoresistor. Photoresistor, also known as an LDR, light-dependent resistor, is semiconductor electronic component that has a resistance that changes according to the intensity of light hitting it. Therefore, photoresistors are often used in a variety of applications, including in light sensor and automatic control. Common applications of photoresistor include light sensor, like measurement, automatic control. Potentiometer, often abbreviated as a pot, is an electronic component used to adjust the resistance in electrical circuit. Potentiometer can change the resistance in a circuit by changing its position. Potentiometer generally consists of three terminals, two end terminal and one center terminal wire. One end is connected to a positive voltage, the other is connected to a negative voltage ground, and the center terminal is used to set a resistance that will affect the output level of the signal. Resistors are electronic components that are specifically designed to have an electrical resistance that can inhibit the flow of electric current. The picture is one example of the physical form of resistor and resistor symbol used in electronic circuit. Relay. Relay is electromechanical component used to control electrical circuit. Its work on the principle of electromagnetism and use a solenoid, a coil of wire, to actuate switch contact that can open or close a circuit. They are often used in electronic circuit that require control of signal with the high power or that involve switching electrical power. This picture is the physical form of a relay and relay symbols that are often used in electronic circuit. Transistor are electronic components that play a key role in the control and amplification of electronic signal. Transistors are semiconductors used in electronic circuit to control the flow of electric current or amplify electronic signal. The picture is one example of the physical form of transistor and transistor symbol used in electronic circuit. Motor stepper. Stepper motor is an electromechanical device that converts electrical power into mechanical energy. The picture is one example of the physical form of motor stepper and motor stepper symbol used in electronic circuit. Switch. Switch is an electronic component or mechanical device used to connect or disconnect the flow of electricity in an electrical circuit. They are very important component in power control and controlling electrical devices. The picture are example of switch symbol used in electronic circuit.